1. Find your niche. Choose a specific topic or theme for your channel that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will help you stand out and attract a specific audience. 2. Create high-quality content. Invest in good filming equipment, lighting, and audio to produce videos with clear visuals and sound. Make sure your content is well edited and engaging, keeping your viewers hooked. 3. Be consistent. Regularly upload content to your channel to keep your audience engaged and interested. Set a schedule and stick to it, whether it's once a week or twice a month. 4. Study successful YouTubers. Watch videos of successful YouTubers in your niche and learn from their style, editing techniques, and how they engage with their audience. Take inspiration from them, but also try to develop your unique style and voice. 5. Optimize your thumbnails and titles. Thumbnails and titles are the first things viewers see, so make sure they are attention-grabbing and accurately represent the content of your video. Use keywords and phrases that are relevant to your video to improve searchability. 6. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with your viewers. Building a strong community and rapport with your audience can increase loyalty and viewership. 7. Promote your channel. Utilize social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook to promote your videos and channel. Collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche to cross-promote your content. 8. Optimize your video description and tags. Include relevant keywords and phrases in your video description and tags to improve discoverability. This helps search engines understand the context of your video and suggest it to relevant viewers. 9. Learn about YouTube algorithms and SEO. Stay updated on YouTube's algorithms and best practices for optimizing your videos for search engine optimization, SEO. This will ensure your videos have a higher chance of appearing in recommended and search results. 10. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if your channel doesn't grow immediately. Keep creating content, improving your skills, and learning from your experiences to steadily grow your audience.